Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing another metal stamp with me video. I have 3 new ideas for you guys to try out if you are a metal stamper, and let's just get right into it. So the first one is this bottle opener. I thought it was super cute when I saw it at Michael's, and I'm just going to be putting It's 5 o'clock somewhere because that's just classic. And so I just like to line up my letters with Sharpie first on the product, and then I'm going to start stamping. And you will notice the O looks a little bit funky on this one. It's just because I accidentally stamped it with a Q. But yeah, I wasn't planning on making a second one that said this, so I just decided to leave this one in because the other 2 are just going to be custom. So the next thing that I made is this little hexagon pet tag. I decided to do a little beach scene, so I did a moon and a palm tree, and then I put the dog's name in the middle, and then I added some stars and the little dot tool to just add a little bit of starry night to the background, and I thought this was super duper cute. I'm definitely going to be making more of these with this scene. It's just super adorable. I found these blanks on clearance at Michael's, so I picked up a bunch of packs of them because I thought these would be super cute for wine charms. And so the first thing I have to do is just remove all of the hardware to be able to stamp on them properly, and then you can just pick whatever you want to say on them. I'm just giving them a little bit of a buff because they were dirty, and then you just pick what you want each one to say, stamp it. And then what I do, I'll show you in a bit, but I'm going to add some cute little beads, and then I'm going to do the wine charm part. I'm going to show you exactly what I do in a second. So once I've buffed off all the extra enamel, I'm just adding the hardware back, and then I'm going to be using the Beadalon Remembrance ring-sized wire, and this is just pre-sized wire for making rings. They also do bracelets and necklaces, and it's very hard to bend this wire, so it's actually really good for wine charms. So I'm just cutting off a little bit over 1 full circle, and then we're going to be using the excess to do the little latch for them. But first you're just going to want to add your beads. Do this before you bend the latches, or else you're not going to be able to fit the beads on, and you want beads that are big enough that they won't fall off. So I'm just going to be doing clear and white. I just thought that was a nice aesthetic for these. And then I'm adding my charm and the other side's beads, and then we're going to take one side and we're going to bend it straight up, and then the other side we're going to bend around the other side to create a little loop. You'll see what I mean when I do it. So this is perfect to make in sets of 4 or 6 depending on how many people you have at parties, and you can just hook it onto the stem of your wine glass. This is how the bottle opener turned out. As you can see, there's a little bit of a scuff on the O from the Q, unfortunately, but it's still really cute. And here's the finished pet tag. It's ready to go. All you gotta do is stamp the number or address on the back, and it's perfect for your pet. And that's today's video, guys. If you want to see more metal stamping content, I have an entire playlist on my channel you can check out, and I'll see you in the next one.